This is the White Sands hat by Nancy Bates from Knitting the National Parks, and I have a tutorial to make these welts much easier. So rather than individually picking up each of these gray stitches as you knit the next round, take the needle that you used for your ribbing, turn the hat so that you're facing the inside, and you're going to lift each of these stitches from top to bottom, these are the gray stitches, onto that size 5 needle. And you can do the whole row at once, or you can just do a few stitches at a time, the way that I'm doing this here. Once you've picked up those stitches, they're going to line up with the stitches on your needle. So you'll insert your needle into the first white loop and then into that corresponding gray loop, and then you'll knit both stitches together and then they can come off the needles. So it's like a 3-needle bind off, sort of, but it just makes it a lot easier and faster than having to pick up each one of those gray loops individually. And it makes a beautiful welt.